Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm up in South East London and on a survey from a recommendation from this client's building that we installed just over 9 years ago, and I want to show you around it. So this building really shows the test of time of one of our products, say installed around about 9 years, 2 months ago. I rang this client yesterday to say, I'm passing by to do a survey just over there. Can I pop in and share a 9-year-old building with all you guys that watch us and follow us? And they were delighted to do so. So with the UPVC doors and windows, don't do them anymore. Now we go to aluminium. The MTX cladding, this building hasn't been painted. You know, it's looking a bit green down the bottom there. It needs a clean down, but there is zero rot or anything because these products that we've got on this building last around 50 years. I say this is a 9-year-old building. Looks like it went up about a year ago. It's absolutely lovely in there. Inside it's used daily as a gym. We no longer do the trims on the ceiling. The walls are a lot slicker look in the last 9 years, but still principally used as daily as a gym. Got the extra height there for the gym space. This feels just like a brand new building, and they've never painted it inside or anything. It's just well looked and looked after, well loved, but with zero maintenance needed. We done this as a combination store, so you can see the store section there with the hardwood door, all still looking in great condition. So yeah, there you go. A little bit awkward to show you the whole building. If I kind of come back here, you can get to see it. But there you go. So it's a 6 metre long, about 3.5 metre wide garden room that we installed over 9 years ago. Still going strong, of course, as we would expect. But nice to be able to share one with you like this. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and let me know if you've got any questions.